Hello, Professor. This is Daniel Goodrum with the first video for my final submission. In this video, I'm going to be covering my engine class, my asset managers, and my time manager. So first off, here I have my engine class. Pretty straightforward. It's a singleton. It has its get height, get width, set clear color, window and height information, and then the start function. And then I'll do here I have brief descriptions. The class itself is pretty bare bones, like it should be. So load content does the initialize start scene, and it loads all the resources. The update, this is where I have it do my scene change, update the game loop in the time attorney, and then update the within the scene manager. The run or the draw is just the visualizer attorney visualizing everything, and then the scene manager calling draw. Unload content, this is where it deletes the scene manager and thus the scenes. The model manager, the texture manager, shader manager, image manager, and the time manager. And then these are just setters and getters and all that good stuff. My asset managers are over here on the right. My texture manager, here's the header file, pretty straightforward. I have two loads, just for doing your own colors and everything, and then a get function. It's a singleton, and for all of my managers I use maps, just so that they can be easily accessed and stored. My shader manager is pretty much the same. Model manager similar. For the model manager, I have it overloaded so you can do pre-made models if needed. And the image manager, once again, pretty straightforward. Here's the inside of what they look like. So on the load, it checks if the key exists. If it doesn't, then it loads the key. The get just returns the key, and then the delete portion of it does goes through, deletes everything within it, and then that's it. And then for my time manager is pretty straightforward. Run by an attorney, just get time and get frame time, and it's set up as a singleton. The private delete function is down here, and that is called from the engine when it does unload content. That's it for this video. I will have a couple more up in a few minutes.